This is a story of Shaggy, Parrot and the Reggae Band. When you hear this sound, it's time to turn the page.
Hi, my name is Shaggy Parrot, and I'm a DJ. I chat the reggae music, which comes from my island home, Jamaica. I travel all over the world, but today I'm at home in my island of Jamaica, at the Laughing Waters waterfall.
On the island of Jamaica, there's a pretty waterfall. It sounds like children laughing. Do you know what it is called? Laughing Waters.
My friend Laughing Waters is feeling very, very sad.
Today Laughing Waters is feeling sad. Her water is polluted with old cans and old rags. But Shaggy Parrot is making a plan. He will call his friends to join a reggae band.
Laughing Waters, don't worry. We'll have you laughing again. Reggae music you need from all of your friends. And the island of Jamaica in the parish of St. Anne's, and me, Shaggy Parrot, and I'm making a plan. The pretty waterfall, now laugh at all pass. Me cellular phone, me have to make a few calls.
Dreadstar bangs the drum around. Big Teeth Barracuda brings the reggae bass sound. There is garbage floating in the waterfall, coming from those who don't care at all. They are too lazy to use the garbage bin. Guess what they throw the garbage in?
They throw garbage in the waterfall, but Shaggy Parrot can help.
Yeah, man, waterfall, no worry yourself. I'll call 10 friends. No, make that 12. We'll start a band, have a sweet reggae party. Reggae vibes make you happy. You soon feel irate. Yeah. Dreadstar, to me, come check me pon the sun. Would you like to play in my reggae band? Yeah.
Beat it.
Yes, man. Wow. That bad. Wow.
Dreadstar, starfish star, beat up the drums, beat it up. Beat the drums. Beat it, Dreadstar.
Yeah. Big bass barracuda link me pon the sun. Would you like to play in my reggae band? Big bass barracuda, play it now.
Could a big bass barracuda? Go on. Pump it up.
Sure.
Pump it.
Dapper Snapper says,
I'll play the keys.
Swimpy the Shrimp says,
Pick me, please.
but Shaggy Parrot says,
No way. Nobody knows what a shrimp can play. Yes, man. Wow. That bad. Wow.
Play the keys, Dapper Snapper. Play the keys. Yay. Cool.
Ray Crayfish plays his rhythm guitar, strumming in time with his friend Dreadstar.
Guitar, Ray Crayfish. Yay.
Dally Dolphin on lead guitar is hot, playing good melodies non-stop.
Riff up the guitar, Dally Dolphin. Melody sweet.
You guys sound cool, I'm digging this plan. Me love how you sound and I'm a reggae band. Do you wanna play in my reggae band? Do you wanna play in my reggae band?
Rougher, C-sharp, and clever C-cat. Blow the horns to sound wicked like that.
Let me reggae band here go on. Yeah. Rough a C sharp and the one C cat. Just a blow make the hand sound wicked like that. Play the saxophone C sharp. See us? Now rough up over this. Let me hear the trumpet. C cat and the octopus. Blaze up with the trombone, yeah.
King and DJ.
Labba Lobster lick you with me lyrical play.
Sing J Stingray and Labba Lobster sing harmonies sounding sweeter and sweeter.
Yes, we wanna play in your reggae band. 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 Yes, we wanna play in your reggae band.
Still Laughing Waters does not feel good. She has to carry more than she should. Plastic cups and bottles, old boots and tins, because people won't use garbage bins. Shaggy Parrot lives on land. He cannot see what Swimpy can. Garbage thrown in the water instead of a bin. But Swimpy knows how everyone can win. Swimpy the Shrimp says,
Pick me, please.
but Shaggy Parrot keeps saying,
No way, no way! Nobody knows what a shrimp can play.
the Coraline has all the moves from the streets. They are the best of the dancers from the reefs.
The pretty waterfall now laugh at half past me cellular phone, me have to make a few calls. We want the dancers with the move from the streets. We want the dancers with the move. We want the dancers with the move from the streets. We want the dancers with the move. We call Carolina dancers from the reef. Carolina dancers from the reefs. Carolina dancers from the reefs. We call Carolina
Come on, fishy.
dancers from the reefs.
Move your
Move it.
body.
Shake it, move it, hand up, push up your hand them, back up it, foot up it, move it, shake it, move it, hand up, push up your hand them, back up it, foot up it, hand up it, head up it, boy. Holla, move it, boy.
The band is jamming, but Laughing Waters does not smile. Shaggy Parrot needs someone with a freshwater style.
So we call the band and them lick the rhythm. Carolina swing was not even grinning. No, the waterfall, not a crack, no smile. Just feel the water blues, feeling it for a while. Might as well we call up Swimpy. Might as well we call up Swimpy. Might as well we call up Swimpy. What do we have to lose? What do we have to lose? What do we have to lose? What do we have to lose?
Pick me. Ooh, pick me. Me, over here.
Shaggy Parrot says,
All right, okay. It's time to hear what a shrimp can play.
Swimpy the Shrimp grabs the mic.
I know just what Laughing Waters will like. Take a look in the water. Lots of garbage in the water. Stop polluting up the river. Look so bad it make me shiver. All it takes is just a minute. Use the bin instead of flinging.
Shaggy Parrot, Swimpy, and the whole reggae band clean up the garbage in the water and on land. The sound of her laughter fills the air as laughing waters becomes clean and clear.
Suddenly I feel so much better. You cleaned me up and you did it together. Now I'm feeling the sweet reggae beat. I laugh so hard you I see all my teeth.
Swimpy, my friend, you save the day. For a little shrimp you can really play. You use your head, your eyes, your ears to show laughing water someone cares.
Shaggy Parrot and the reggae band played one last song on the sparkling sand to celebrate in a jamming reggae style with laughing waters wearing a big smile.
Yeah. Laughing water so pretty and clean. Since Swimpy show how to work as a team, he's the smallest one now with a big idea how to make the water clean and clear. Now we're proud of our reggae band. Together we clean up the river land. We help our friend laugh in waterfall with the sweetest reggae music and respect for all. Would you like to play in my reggae band? Would you like to play in my reggae band? Would you like to play in my reggae band? Yo, my reggae, my reggae, my reggae. Would you like to play in my reggae band? Would you like to play in my reggae band? Would you like to play in my reggae band? In a me reggae band, I play in a me reggae band, I play in a me reggae band.